Yo, what is up, guys? Donovan Ceiling Fan Studio here. Welcome back. And today we have this 1989 Casablanca Zephyr IntelliTouch 5-blade. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for a birthday present. It is, says it up there, rotating true, gloss whisper blades, Meridian light kit. But yeah. But anyways, here it is. Here's the light. Looks amazing. I love this stand. Here, we'll get both of them in the shot. But yeah, that's on medium. We'll probably do a separate video of that. Here's low, or speed 1. Here's speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. This one does wobble a bit, and it's not because of the blades, it's because the hang tree is a bit loose, and I don't know why I tightened the shit out of it. So, don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.